Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating the oven to 175 degrees C and preparing a 20 cm pan. Make sure it's greased or lined to avoid sticking. Melt 115 g butter and stir in 200 g sugar until glossy. This builds the base texture and sweetness. Once done, whisk in 2 eggs one at a time so the batter emulsifies smoothly. Then fold in 65 g cocoa and 95 g flour with a pinch of salt to form a thick, even batter. Now you integrate the KFC-inspired element. Fold in the crushed skin crumbs or 1 tsp savory spice, mix so savory notes complement the chocolate without overpowering it. Do this gently to keep the batter airy but uniform. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the surface, tapping once to release large air pockets. Place in the center of the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out with moist crumbs, you've achieved a fudgy center. You finish by cooling the brownies in the pan for about 10 minutes so the structure stabilizes, then transfer to a rack to cool fully before slicing. This prevents crumbling. If you want, add a quick glaze or a sprinkle of flaky salt to highlight savory notes versus the chocolate. If brownies turn out dry, reduce bake time by 3 to 5 minutes next time. If they're underdone, return them to the oven for short intervals until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, not raw batter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.